Hi everyone, here's how you can put arrows on a chart to highlight a particular bar or area. Now you could use the symbol tool and select the arrows from the palette there, but sometimes they're not the best or the easiest to use. So what we can do is use the simple trend line and add an arrowhead. So I'm just going to select the trend line from my toolbox here and just draw it anywhere because I'm just going to use it to build this arrow. So I'm going to right click on that, go to the properties icon, and you'll see down here arrows, none. We have 3 to choose from. I'm just going to stick it on the end. I'm going to make the line width 4, and then I have the flexibility to move that arrow wherever I want. And if I write a little text note here, explaining where that what's going on there. Now we can also add this to make a toolbar button. Like with all our tools, just right click, add to toolbar. Now it says TL for trendline because that's the underlying tool, but I'm going to right click on that button and change the label to arrow, and then change the button color to green. So I know that's my green arrow. So if I wanted the red one, for example, to highlight when things are going down, I'll just change this green one to red and then add this one to toolbar. And again, TL, I can change that button accordingly. So we get that question fairly often, how we can draw arrows on a chart. So that's how we can do it, just by using the trend line. Hope that's been helpful. Any questions, please let us know.